Dancehall entertainer Elephant Man has now been placed under home quarantine following his recent trip to Germany. Now, earlier today, the police launched an investigation into allegations that the dancehall entertainer made a false declaration to an immigration officer on arrival at the Sangster International Airport in St. James. Elephant Man, whose given name is O'Neill Brand, arrived at the airport Tuesday night. Vashon Brown has the details.
Down Sound record entertainer Elephant Man has been facing the heat for taking a trip to Europe. This was Down Sound CEO Joe Bogdanovich on the Entertainment Report last Friday.
He knew the dangers. What sort of advice did you give him? Or he didn't ask for any?
He didn't ask for any. But I can tell you this, he will be quarantined.
On Monday, news surfaced that Elephant Man made a false declaration to an immigration officer when he arrived in the country. The police say they're now investigating the matter involving the 44-year-old entertainer. It's reported that Elephant Man arrived at the airport from Brussels and was asked to declare countries he had visited. It's alleged that he falsified the information and did not declare all the countries, one of which was Germany. Jamaica has placed a travel ban on that country due to the coronavirus pandemic. In Germany, there are over 8,000 cases of COVID-19 and 12 reported deaths. Elephant Man forwarded a WhatsApp video to our news center denying the allegations.
I declared that me just come from Amsterdam, me did there Sweden, me did there Berlin. I declared that I said it. You understand? I said it. So, me not hide nothing. Me dey on tour from February. When me tell her Berlin, I thought that she understands Berlin and Germany are the same thing. So when she asked me lie to her, when she asked me tell her Berlin, but she not gets Berlin and Germany are the same thing.
Hours later, he sent another video reading an apology.
I also want to apologize for any misunderstanding in the way I incorrectly completed the form. After my long journey, I actually put the last country I arrived from as the opposed to all the countries I attended in the last 6 weeks. Sorry for that. Drop asleep, you don't know. Then I have spoken to the authorities and I am self-quarantined at home. I went directly home after leaving the airport and I have not left my house since.
The World Health Organization has said that Europe is now the epicenter of the coronavirus. According to Elephant Man, a team from the Ministry of Health visited his house on Thursday and he was medically examined. We asked Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton about the incident at a press conference on Wednesday.
We expect, and it is required by law, that persons coming into the country, particularly as it relates to from countries of origin that are on the restricted list, that they declare, and if they fail to declare, then they would have committed a breach.
The Passport, Immigration and Citizenship Agency has also reacted to the incident on Radio Jamaica's hotline program.
Based on the Act, Section 22 of the Public Health Act, then certainly he could be prosecuted.
In the meantime, PICA says it has an electronic system that can tell immigration officers the countries visited by arriving passengers. But the problem is once someone is properly landed in the Shanghai area, which consists of over 20 European countries, he or she can travel freely across borders. That kind of travel, PICA argues, would not show up on any electronic system. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.